So we're going to take off the bumper on the E36. It's going to be easier to respray it while the bumper is out. Now there's cracks on the bumper which had been plastic welded and stitched up. However, we only have 2 more days until the car show. So we will not finish off or repair, do any repairs on it for now. We will be most likely just respraying it to make it look better than before. And then once the car show is done, I think we'll just do a proper repair again on the front bumper. So to take off the front bumper on the E36, you take off 2 nuts there and then 2 nuts there, and it just slides out. That's pretty cool. Right. As you can see, bumper is now out. Someone did a custom bracket here. I'm not sure for what, but I can tell for sure that my intercooler is gonna fit nice there. So what I've done soft edging. So you can see there, once you do a soft edge, it's easier to blend the color. So we do another soft edge on the top side as well. So you use a tack cloth and then prepare the surface that gets rid of any dust particles in the way. So it absorbs all the dust. So we tack cloth all the surface and then get it ready for paint. So the most time consuming bit is the prepping bit. The prepping stage is the most time consuming, but you can see all the dirt, all the paint. I did blow it as well with compressed air earlier. Blow all around, make sure there's no dust even on the top from sanding. This area here, just doesn't really need base coat. Alright. So that's the kit I have. This is just a basic HVLP gun. We're gonna spray it. So right now we're just testing it out, making sure we are hitting approximately 2 bar. That's what we are aiming for. Just going through, making sure none of the stuff blows away and goes on the paint. So I'm just doing a test. So as you can see, this bit's blowing. So I'm gonna re-secure this area there. And then we go on the other side. Check this side. Alright, so we are ready to mix the paint. As you can see, the base coat is too thin, so we need to do a couple of more coats to get it to the correct color. Now this is the result after 3 to 4 coats of base coat. So all that's left now is the clear coat, which is the hardest bit.